To fix the PayPal Friends and Family option not showing, first understand that this feature allows you to send payments to friends and family without incurring fees. If the option is not visible, it may be due to your account type or the country you are sending to. Step 1 is to check your account type. Ensure you have a personal account, as the Friends and Family option is only available on personal accounts. If you have a business account, you will not see this option. Step 2 is to verify your account. PayPal requires accounts to be verified to access all features, including Friends and Family. To verify your account, go to your account settings and follow the verification process. Step 3 is to check the country you are sending to. PayPal's Friends and Family option is not available for all countries. Check PayPal's website for a list of eligible countries. Step 4 is to ensure you are using the correct payment method. The Friends and Family option is only available when using a bank account or a PayPal balance. If you are using a credit or debit card, this option will not be visible. Step 5 is to check for any restrictions on your account. If your account has been restricted, you may not see the Friends and Family option. Contact PayPal support to resolve any restrictions. By following these steps, you should be able to access the Friends and Family option and send payments without incurring fees. Remember to always check PayPal's terms and conditions for the most up-to-date information on available features and fees.